What's up, everybody? Thank you for coming to another detailing video. I got the homie JP and the homie Justin right there. And today they're gonna detail this BMW. Like, what type of job is this?
It should be like a mini detail, you know, an express detail as I call it for my business. So, you know, it's just gonna be like the basics with the little touch-ups, you know, just to keep the client happy and add-ons.
All right, man. And where are you guys located and what's your business name?
We're located in Riverside, California, out there in the IE, and we service everything surrounding it. And my business name is Precision Details LLC.
And that's on Instagram too?
Yeah, it's on Instagram. So you can find me at @precision_details.
All right.
The double Z.
Double Z. Look, it's right here and in the description below. There you go. So today's detail is the sun is going down. It's 4:30 right now.
Yes, sir.
You call it an express detail.
Yes, sir.
Can you finish this in 30 minutes?
30 to 40 minutes tops, and we got you.
All right, 40 minutes tops, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's get started. All right, JP, so what's the game plan right now? How are you guys starting?
So right now I'm gonna be scrubbing down the whole interior plastics with the Scrub Ninja and PNS, the best interior cleaner out there. And my partner over there, Justin, he's gonna start brushing down the rims and getting all that brake dust off, trying to get it all clean, lug nuts and everything, just so the rims could be as flawless as possible for our client.
So, you guys already have your structure? Like you always start on the inside and hem the rims, or depends?
As of today, we changed the structure. We usually I handle the vacuuming because I feel like I do a little better job at the detail vacuuming, and he handles all the interior wipe downs. But since we're trying to beat the sun, we're trying to get a little bit of the interior and exterior done, just so we could kind of finish it in a timely manner. Obviously in a timely manner, but still detailed and up to our client standards.
I got you. So today you're actually splitting up the work.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see how it goes. Yo, Justin.
What's happening?
What do you think is going to be the hardest part about this detail?
Oh, the hardest part about this detail?
Or you think you guys got it down?
I think we got it down. I'm not gonna lie to you, big dog. Yeah.
Hey.
What's happening?
Don't make fat jokes, right?
Oh, don't do me. I'm a big dude. Come on, big dog. Don't do me like that. Look, I still got a gut, dog. You know what I mean?
All right. I let
Look,
this one slide, bro.
We ain't here together, bro.
Have you guys ever detailed at night?
Yes,
or when the sun was going down?
Yes, sir. All the time.
Yeah? What are you guys going to do today? The sun.
Oh, we're gonna make it happen, Captain.
Yeah?
Make it happen, Captain. Yeah.
4:30. The sun's going down right now.
That ain't no problem. That ain't no problem.
Hey JP, so this customer, where'd you get this customer from?
Actually, he hit me up on OfferUp because I post myself on OfferUp too. That's one of my ways of trying to market out my business. His first car for me was actually his 2007 Porsche 911. So I went over to his house, gave him a little in-person quote, gave him a little preview on a little touch-up spot that he wanted. His Porsche is black, by the way. So I told him that I specialize in paint correcting black vehicles. So he liked the way that little test spot came out, so he booked me for the very next day. And I actually ceramic coated it with Ceramic Pro, because that's one of the companies I'm certified by. So I did a 2-year coating on his, just for so you could kind of see how it turns out. Fell in love with it, removed all those swirl marks he wanted gone, surface deficiencies. And then later on, after I finished coating it, he actually told me he owned a body shop business, like a body collision business. And he's been doing it for years. So he hit me up to go detail his cars. You know, he wants to turn them in nice and clean for his clients. So I went, got him handled. Me and him actually went, me and Justin, we knocked out about 10 or 12 cars the first day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you. This is pretty much like a fleet or like dealership?
So the cars go in there crashed, he fixes them, comes out, so he wants to turn them in clean.
All right, so my question is, you give him a hookup, or how do you do the pricing?
I give him a set price for all vehicles. Obviously he gives me a lot of vehicles. He gives me his personal vehicles and family members' vehicles to ceramic coat, but ceramic coating jobs are strictly the set price that I charge it. For the washes, I give him a shop price wash for his shop, and
Okay.
then his personal vehicles are the regular basic prices that I provide.
So JP,
What's up, brother?
tell me, man, what got you started into the whole detailing game?
To be honest, I was tired of working job to job. I had my son, my first son, and you know, just working at a warehouse wouldn't cut it.
How old are you?
I'm 26.
26.
Yeah, bro, 26. I had my son when I was 22 or 23.
Okay,
No
okay.
me recuerdo, but
Yeah.
you know, I'm doing everything for him and my other son and my wife. She's
Nah.
been a stay-at-home mom since I married her, so that's why I'm trying to keep it.
Yeah.
You know, she can handle everything at home, chilling, relaxing, and I'll be the one out here breaking my back for them. That's what it's supposed to be.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
why detailing though?
I've always loved cars.
Mm.
I've always been into cars, always since I was little. I remember looking at fire trucks and sports cars, the old school Lambos, and it's just like, I fell in love with it. So my sister told me, why don't you get into cars? Be a mechanic. I don't trust myself being a mechanic. I don't even touch my own truck. So then I got into detailing. I used to wash all my family's cars, wash my old car, my 4Runner. I used to detail it all nice. So my wife and my sister are the ones that came up with the idea. Why don't you start your detailing business? See how it goes, work for yourself, make your own money, become a businessman, you know, do something you love. So that's the whole point that I started, because I love cars. I feel like I'm very good at what I do. I've taken classes, I got certifications, I got help from a lot of people. So I made it into my business. It took me a while, but I made the jump, got my LLC going. So then now I'm gonna keep on going to the top, hopefully.
Hey, so tell me about this setup real quick. Is this what you started with?
I started off not even having all this. I had my water reel down. I didn't have no rack. I had my machine on the little metal piece that comes on.
Yeah.
A smaller generator. I've had that tank. I got it passed down through my other homie. He let me have it. So I started out with the struggle, having to, you know, put everything out, fucking tie it up by myself and all that. So later on, while the business was going, started growing, started investing in it. So I ended up, you know, obviously, I did all this by myself. I bought the wood from Home Depot. I raised my tank a little bit just because the machine runs off of gravity. So it goes down. I put the little diamond plate so I could try to be fancy, you know. Just, you know, best as possible. But I love my setup, man. Eventually, my goal is to get a van. I'll probably just slap the same thing in there. Same setup and just make it look a little bit better.
All right, man. We came close, JP. We came close to the 45 minutes. Where you
Yeah.
at? What's left?
We're done just doing the door jams, tire shine. That's about it. Interior's already all detailed, or mini detailed, I should say. You know, floor mats all vacuumed, seats all vacuumed to wipe down all the plastics. We do provide a little paper cover, just carpets won't get dirty again. We did the exterior foam wash. Windows already cleaned, rim clean already done. Tire shine's good.
That's it.
Yeah.
Hey, so I heard on the street, JP, you just raised your prices? Or what's going on?
Starting in the new year, we raised our prices just due to the rise of the cost and everything going on. You know, gas, even products, just keeping up with the business needs to you know, satisfy all of our customers to get them what they want. Unfortunately, nobody nobody's happy with raising prices, but it had to be done.
So, for example, give me an example. What did they used to charge, and what are you charging now?
What I used to charge was $55.
$55?
$55. So now the new prices for an express wash / detail will be $75.
Damn, man, that's a big jump.
75, yeah.
What made you pick that price?
You know, I just got some recent advice by Top Class, you know, and one thing really stuck out to me is just, you know, knowing what you're worth, what your work is worth. So I feel like I go above and beyond as any other detailer would, but you know, I think it's time for me to move up with the prices just so the business could grow, and then I could provide better services as well.
All right, JP, so we done skis?
Yes, sir.
Damn, you did beat the sun, man. Let me see. Ooh, made it on time, 45 minutes pretty much.
Yeah.
Now, have you noticed with you and your partner, you guys do a lot more details or about the same?
We do more details.
Yeah?
Yeah, so we do more details because we could get it done in a timely manner and still proficient with the work.
How much would you do, how many details? Let's just say that we're all the same. How many would you do by yourself? And then how many can you do with your partner?
Probably by myself in a 8 to 10 hour day. I could probably do like around 4 to 5. Like 4 to be with you, like
yeah.
4. And then with him, I could probably knock out like 6.
Yeah.
6, 7.
So it definitely helps.
Definitely helps having a worker that, you know, knows and that's willing to learn more.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, so he's already certified by PNS, so that helps too. With steam cleaning, you know, all the nits and grits of everything. So, you know, we learn off of each other. So that's teamwork. Got to build together so we can go up together.
Got it. And
Yes,
what's your plan for 2022? Have you thought about it?
2022, I have a lot of goals set for myself. So, you know, just obviously trying to grow the business, get to know the business that's around me. You know, learning how to market myself. That's something, you know, that I struggle with just because, you know, I'm not all tech fancy and all that. So hopefully get my van this year.
Yeah.
That's my main goal, get my van this year. I want to leave my truck to rest. It was supposed to be my fun truck. It turned into the workhorse. So that's my next goal right now, to grow my business and hopefully get my van and my brand new setup.
All right, guys. So there you have it. 45-minute detail with the homies. Now,
go.
hey, you guys did great, man.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Now, for the people that want to show you love, where can they go?
Instagram, and follow me at precision_details with 2 Z's at the end. And, you know, feel free to reach out, book an appointment, you know, and we could work something out, and I could get you guys scheduled in.
Now, what areas do you cover?
Rialto, Fontana, Rancho, Pomona, Eastvale, Corona, everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere. Surrounding the IE.
Yes, sir.
Well, there you go. If you guys want to, you know, a great detail, affordable prices, and with a fast turnaround, go show them some love. Everything in the description below. And if you enjoyed this detailing content, you want to see more, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.
Thank you.
Sir.